I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Focus battery step by step. Begin by securing the car and gathering basic tools before opening the hood. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorting. Remove the hold-down clamp and lift the old battery straight out, then position the new battery the same way. Reconnect terminals, ensure tight connections, and verify accessories and clock settings work afterward. Gather a socket set, pliers, gloves, eye protection, and a battery terminal cleaner before you start. Confirm the replacement battery matches cold cranking amps and dimensions for your Focus model. Work in a ventilated area and avoid open flames near the battery. Keep a rag handy for corrosion and a tray to rest bolts. If unsure about battery specs or safety, consult a professional to prevent damage or injury. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more automotive tips. Quick recommendation: on another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and how-to guides during breaks, with a crisp display and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by switching off the car and removing keys to prevent unintentional power. Loosen the negative cable clamp and remove it, then do the same for the positive cable. Unbolt the hold-down clamp and carefully lift the battery out by its sides, keeping it upright. Place the new battery in position, secure the clamp, attach positive first then negative, and check for firm connections and proper engine start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.